Dead dog, I last time me a blood clot kill you. Last time.
Song. Oh, last one. Pussy them run out of song. And you come and call me blood clot name like so you said run out of man. Carbon on the rifle. The boat of the van. Clang, clang, clang.
Why Shawn Storm, I say last time I kill Gage, we have to kill him again if you think him dead. Remember you say, war for days. Gage say if you find song, brother. Cause right now, I make it look like you run out of song. Man no step out of the van. The rifle them I go clam, clam, clam. You talk about last one, you run out of song? People. Don't know, me know on the hear it already. Gage respond. And the man disrespectful like man has never exist. The man this Shawn Storm in the most wickedest way. I couldn't hear what go on.
Oh, careful, Wani, I do Gaza Punani.
Careful, mind you get erased. Careful.
Now that punk we think me down here, so I do no farming. Have a dark room, fi pussy we want war me. Have a gun bigger than everything King Alarm bring. I never ever broke a shop, I do look ocean breeze. Company, you a look because you a rasty.
But careful of me, want to Gaza Punani. Punk nobody think me down here, so I do no farming. Have a dark room for anybody we want war me. And have something we bigger than everything we King Alarm bring. Me never ever broke a shop. I want to look a Sean Breeze. Company all look cause you're a thief. People may tell us a Gage go really feisty. Ever hear some people tell about rank and feisty? This is Gage in this track. Remember me tell you that. You see me? Man I say Shawn Storm a Gaza Punani. And nobody feel through me there country, me there so I do no farming. You see me? The man say him have a dark room for anybody we want war him. You know say she know him a share this right away. Cause man she know clash the last time. And I think Gage is a gear all war monger, you know, brother. See man, I just the shop broken thing here. So him never broke a shop. I want him to Sean Breeze and his style stand charm again. You know hurricane, this is a little breeze. You see me? People, song bad. Out of all of the song them, the flow here, I can say the sickest flow in my pre. You see me?
When you're ready, video call, make me show you walk it. Remember, say when you touch the road, you a target. Who a tell you things, stop listen, them charge it. Them not tell you about the matic, them when me a walk with. And no portion, I shot a one in a your parade. And nobody cannot tell me, say no go a rock it.
When you're ready, video call, make me show you what I keep. Remember, when you touch the road, there's still a target. And who a tell you things, stop listening to them charge. Then I tell you about the matic, them when me a walk with. And a push and a shot are just one in your forehead. And nobody can tell me say me can't go a rocky. You see me? So Gage I tell Shawn Storm, say, yeah man, me know you have your phone angle man. So when you're ready, just make a video call. Let me show you what I keep. You see me? All you chat up your mouth. If you follow the road a morning, remember say you're still a target. You see me? All who tell a crap about my broke shop and my wash car. Stop listening to them charge it. If you say you have sense. You see me? Them I tell about the matic them me I walk with. And a push and a shot. Where just one more and put in your forehead. And nobody can tell me when for go rocky point you out of my place. You deaf?
Them no know the badness there. When you violate me a judgment there. Sport chip like so we judge AK. If you better than me, start run back. You better tell a little bird like Cage. All of them together don't better than Gage.
Them no know how the badness stay. If you violate me a judgment there. Sport chip Glock. That's how we judge AK. If you better than me, start run back. People Gage find that song in a shot. You see me? If I hear some people say simple things matter, even in a gift, and they say simple things are your blessing. A simple lyrics to man. Remember me tell her, you man say if you better than me, start run back way. Song you well put together. And the rhythm bad. Yeah.
Me we take a charge and come a eye rising. Done a whole blood clot clipping on your face. Informer, you a go there just watching a TV C4 that a look a fire rocket. Who no badness still there face, but nowadays man a shot people and TikTok it.
Tell a little bird in the cage, none of them don't bother than Gage. We'll take a charge and forward the horizon and done a clip in your face. Gage have them powers if reaching the horizon with a clip done in a smarty face. Boss creative. See me? Just for take a charge for go war your opponent on the inside. You feel like you wait till him get on the outside. Tell a little bird in the cage, me tell him about simple lyrics. You see me? Shawn Storm in a cell. Man refer to jail cell as cage. Bird go in a cage. Tell a little bird in the cage. It's song creative, it's song bad people, you see me? And we can't bias. Gage a bad artist. One son of badness still there Facebook. Nowadays we are shoot people and TikTok it. You see me?
Rascal, wagwan, not a stop. How that Shawn? You turn artist now. You want name bodyguard. You a killer too. Don't make me laugh. Me hear them a bad. Don't kill him enough. And I say if you remember him dead behind bars.
What a guan? Not a Storm. Who that Shawn? You a name bodyguard. You a killer too? Don't make me laugh. Me hear them a ball. And I say him there behind bars. Don't kill him enough. Don't kill him enough. People me tell us that song here. Well creative, well put together. You see me? You see the part of the song that we Gage I said, don't kill him enough. Don't kill him enough. A cartel flow that you know. Cartel melody, you know. Just like how cartel use back Bounty Killer melody in a song where you must say, imagine smoking without police provoking. And in a black girl you have killer voice. I say, imagine. One of them style of Gage using. Man a pong Shawn Storm. Say who that? Not a storm. It's just a little breeze. You turn artist now. You're not a bodyguard. You're a killer too. Don't make me laugh you. You see me? But as the first you used to just their own teacher as a bodyguard. Now you tell me say you're artist. You want to war me. You turn all killer. Don't make me laugh. When I go through the comments of the people, I must say, Gage song stronger. And I have some people in the comments that must say, yo, because Shawn Storm the behind bars and you don't know in situation already, you see me? So Gage I said the people in my ball, say I treat him there behind bars. Don't kill him, you know. Don't kill. Bad piece of track. Bad piece of track.
I know for me fault and me name some bumbo whole all world war. Me no know I want to look at Shawn Palm. Killing me no. Kill and no fight girl war.
My name him call World War. Me no know I want to look at Shawn Palm. Kill and no fight girl war. People here in shade Shawn Storm again this so. Call Shawn Storm Shawn Palm. Saying Shawn Storm a back in fist, you know, Annie Palmer. I say Shawn Palm. I have to pick up the lyrics them, you know.
Vice no more fucker, and you see. Me make me kill a friend come round and that come beat you to sickness. Every song you drop, you make your fans them think I eat this. But easy kill, see they know you are dead quick. Pick up everybody war like you are the target. Me think I kill alone, them lock up, why them lock up dark shit. Tell your prison I'm mad him, you're the punk attack shit. But oh me reaching at the war, and you call me.
Vice no more buckry and you see. Me make me kill a friend them come round, they come beat us to sickness. Every song you sing, you make your fans them think I hit this. Talk about easy kill and know you are dead quick. Pick up everybody war like you are the target. Me think a killer alone them lock up, me never know them lock up dog. You see? Prisoner mad him, but how me reaching at the war when I him a call me.
And you come and call me blood clot name like so you sell run out a man. World war. Me no know I want to look at Shawn Palm. Kill him no, me ya go kill him no, me ya go. Your boss I use your mouth for jail bike. I be a shit you chat you know, in the last fight.
Jaja. People me tell you so a little boy named Gage him feisty and him not have no manners. Me not even gonna explain the lyrics the way him say a while ago, you see me? Who not understand, ask somebody who don't think understand, you see me? But after that him go on to say Shawn Storm never have sex with him girl, you see me? Shawn Storm never touching girl. If Shawn Storm can't even dream that, he can't even think about it. You see me? Then he go on him address back the mother saga. I don't know so I'm not gonna touch that again cause I depend on the mother disrespecting and no clash with no artist, you see me? So anyway, in the last review, I say I'm gonna explain to you why I say both artists winning. You see me? Alright, 10 days ago Shawn Storm dropped a song named Dead Dealer. You see me? When Shawn Storm dropped that song, them have 94k subscribers. Right now, Shawn Storm have 99k subscribers. So within the period, G gained 5k subscribers. You gonna tell me say that is not a win? When Gage dropped Tropical Breeze, him have 120k subscribers. Right now, Gage have 125k subscribers. So now tell me say the artists them now win. Both artists gain 5k subscribers throughout the clash. And when I tell me say both artists now win, joke on I make. So you see the artists them out they were afraid for clash, you see it? Build a platform, build a fan base. When you just don't take the thing out of context. Keep it lyrically, musically, keep it clean. Left the mothers them outside. You see me? People just want to forward in the comment section and show me what who no pray, who no think I lead the clash, who no feel I win. You see me? Who will be the last man standing?
Oh, last one, pussy them run out of song. And you come and call me blood clot name like so you sell run out of man.